What's up, beautiful babes? Did you miss me? It's your girl, Sweet Angel. Girl, I ain't going nowhere. I'm right here. But excuse the way I look today. I am doing a wonderful little mask and I wanted to share it with you. Absolutely. But before I get into what's on my face, would you do me a kind, sweet favor and hit that subscribe button if you have not already joined my beautiful babes. Hey, we love to have you. There is room for more right here, and you'll be glad you did that, because you know what? It's always something going on right here. Honey, yeah, absolutely it is. Check this out. The other thing that you need to do is to hit the notification bell. Y'all, that is such an easy process. It's right there by the subscribe button. Just hit the little bell, and guess what? You will get a notification each time I upload. That way you won't miss anything. That's right, y'all. I'm so excited today about this great mask. So without further ado, y'all, I'm gonna jump right to it. Here we go. So today we'll be exploring a natural home remedy to look younger than your age. And it's simple as orange juice and egg, the whole egg. This is a skin tightening mask. Let's talk about orange juice. Orange juice benefits the skin largely by shrinking the open pores. Just apply the juice of an orange on your face. Orange juice is rich in citric acid, which is very helpful in drying away acne. Vitamin C also helps reduce skin swelling, which may reduce the appearance of pimples. The citric acid found in oranges is also part of the chemical group alpha hydroxy acids, which are powerful exfoliators that remove dead skin cells and cleanse your pores. Orange juice is great for cleaning clogged skin pores and good in the prevention of acne, pimples, wrinkles, and fine lines. The vitamin C in oranges also prevents free radicals and provides freshness to your skin. Now, the other ingredient is eggs. I'm talking about the entire egg. We all know the anti-aging effects of an egg. Egg is rich in proteins, and our skin also requires proteins to remain healthy and ageless. Let's dissect the egg though. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft and supple. Egg yolk face masks work wonders for people with dry or flaky skin. The nutrients in egg yolks work to hydrate, nourish, and moisturize dull skin. Egg whites have astringent properties that help shrink pores by tightening the skin. The egg proteins increase collagen production and elastin, thereby promoting a radiant face and glowing skin. Egg whites also help minimize the large pores in the skin and helps smooth up the fine lines. So these two power ingredients, egg and orange juice, make an epic mask that hydrates, lifts, and tightens the skin. It's so easy to prepare. Just mix one whole egg with 4 tablespoons of orange juice together in a small bowl. Make sure you wash your face with warm water and dry it up with a soft towel. With the help of a brush, apply the layer of mixture, the first layer. After about 5 minutes, apply one more layer. Simply just let it dry, which will take maybe about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, rinse with cool water and moisturize. Apply this mixture twice a week for best results. Continue this application for 1 month and you will see an amazing difference in your skin tone and texture. Now the mixture, the unused portion, can easily be stored in your refrigerator for up to 6 days. All right, beautiful babes, that is it. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this video. Hope you try it out, and if you do, go ahead and share it with me down below and let everybody know how wonderful you feel. Beautiful babes, please like, comment. If you don't have anything sweet to say, just drop me a heart. I appreciate you so much. And don't forget, you know what you got to do? Subscribe. That way you can keep up with what I'm doing right here. And also, tell mama and them about your girl. So you know you got to do what? Share me with your world. See you on the next video. Skin feeling good.